Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos tapatios. These popular Mexican street food items are known for their delightful crispy texture and rich, savory flavors. We will guide you through each step, from preparing the tender meat filling to crafting the perfect tortillas, and of course, making that signature red sauce. Get ready to create an authentic and incredibly satisfying meal right in your own kitchen. First, let's prepare the flavorful filling. Traditionally, this involves simmering beef or pork until it is incredibly tender, then shredding it finely. Next, you will season the meat with aromatic ingredients such as minced garlic, diced onion, and a touch of smoked paprika. Sauté this mixture for approximately 6 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and any excess liquid to evaporate, creating a rich and savory base for your tacos. Now, let's craft those signature crispy tacos. Begin with thin corn tortillas, warming them slightly to make them pliable. Place about 1 tablespoon of your flavorful meat filling onto each tortilla. Roll them tightly, like a small taquito, ensuring the seam is secure. Then, fry these rolled tacos in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp, typically taking about 10 to 12 minutes, if air frying at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The defining element of tacos tapatios is the signature red sauce. Prepare this rich sauce by blending ripe tomatoes, dried chilies, garlic, and onion. Simmer the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly and deepen in flavor. Serve your crispy tacos generously drowned in this warm, savory red sauce. Finish with fresh shredded cabbage, a drizzle of Mexican crema, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a truly authentic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.